Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a traditional desi dessert that's loved in every season, kulfi ice cream. Creamy, nutty and packed with flavor. And the best part, no cream, no condensed milk needed. Take 10 to 12 cashew nuts and soak them in a quarter cup of water for 15 minutes. Pour them into a blender. Add 1 slice of bread. Bread in kulfi. Yes, it thickens the mix naturally and adds a smooth texture. And blend it into a smooth paste. Now heat 2 cups of milk in a pan and bring it to a boil. Did you know kulfi originated in the Mughal era? It was made by freezing milk in ice brought down from the mountains. Add a few strands of soaked saffron for a lovely color and aroma. Next, add the blended cashew and bread mixture. Saffron was once considered more valuable than gold. A few strands add royal richness to desserts. Add 1 to 2 drops of yellow food color. Cook this for 5 minutes while stirring continuously. Once it thickens slightly, take it off the heat and let it cool completely. Now add half a cup of jaggery into a blender. Add the milk mixture and blend again for 1 minute until smooth. Let the milk mixture cool completely before blending with jaggery. This keeps the flavor fresh. Pour the kulfi mixture into molds of your choice. Top it with chopped dry fruits and rose petals for a festive touch. Traditional kulfis are set in a clay pots called matkas for extra chill and aroma. Cashews add both creaminess and nutrition, nature's own dairy-free thickener. Place in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And your homemade kulfi is ready. Freeze the kulfi overnight if you want perfect unmolding. To easily remove kulfi from the mold, dip in warm water for 10 seconds. Cashews provide healthy fats and energy. No cream or condensed milk makes it a lighter version of classic kulfi. Saffron helps with digestion and gives a natural glow to skin. And that's our rich, creamy kulfi ice cream, a timeless treat made right in your kitchen. Which flavor should we try next? Mango, rose or pista? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more classic and creative dessert made with love and simple ingredients. Until next time, keep smiling, stay cool and keep freezing the sweetness.